Darlene, welcome to Maynard's Wild World of Science.
How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
I'm great.
Awesome. You ready to get to cooking?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're gonna make something really delicious today, all right? With really simple ingredients. So first, we need 2 Ziploc bags and 1 larger Ziploc bag. We're gonna need some sugar, some dairy creamer, yum, something to measure, could be cups and also teaspoons, some vanilla extract, yum, some salt, and of course, some ice. Ooh. And that's where our gloves come in, okay? First step is we're going to measure half a cup of creamer into our Ziploc bag. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of sugar. And next, we're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Ooh, I
love some vanilla, right?
Yeah.
And now, you zip this up.
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells delicious. Oh, and then make sure that it's sealed tight and get as much air out as you can, okay? Then we're gonna get our other small Ziploc bag, okay? And you're gonna put this one inside your other small Ziploc bag.
Okay.
So you should have 2 Ziploc bags, 1 small one inside your other small one.
All right.
Okay, we good? All right, and next step, we're going to pour about 2 cups or so of ice into this big Ziploc bag. For this next step, we're gonna add something special to this ice, okay? And that is salt, okay? So we're gonna put about half a cup of salt into our ice. And now, next step, take our smaller Ziploc bags and we're gonna put that inside our big Ziploc bag.
Okay.
Make sure we get as much air out of it as we can after you close it up. This is where your gloves come in because we're going to shake up our mixture in our hands for about 5 to 7 minutes, okay?
Oh.
So it's gonna get pretty cold. You don't wanna freeze your fingers off, okay? And you just wanna mix this up like such, okay? Mix it up, give it a nice shake, okay? And you wanna make sure you get a good workout, okay? We wanna sweat. The salt does something really special, okay? Salt actually lowers the freezing point. And so that enables our little mixture in there to get really cold, really fast. I think we gotta do a little dance while we're doing this. A little shake dance. Whew. I don't know about your hands, but my hands are pretty cold. We're gonna open it up. And if we did this right, we should have a nice, frozen, delicious treat. Look at that.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? Look at that, our own ice cream. Should we do an official taste test?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
This is really good.
Oh,
Hold on.
that is delicious. Our very own vanilla ice cream.
Wow.
DIY
awesome.
in our laboratory kitchen. Yes.